can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just want. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamyia, and I'm so excited to have this TEMU inspired designer haul for you today. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new here, everything will be linked down below in the description box. So I am absolutely obsessed with this Coach inspired coin purse. If you are of a particular age, you remember coin purses like this, and you remember women of a particular age having coin purses like this, and a lot of times they had more stuff in them than just some money. Okay, so it has a lot of room inside. Let me show you. And I love the gold hardware of the zipper, and it's just so cute. Look at that. My whole hand almost can fit in there. Then you can pull this out and just carry it around. So convenient, so cute. I'm absolutely obsessed. This is so nice. Next, I have something else for your cards. This Burberry inspired card holder. Great for your ID, your debit, your credit cards. So cute. And of course you can put things in the middle as well. Really great for events or just to throw in your purse or your bag. I really like the convenience of this. I have one more bag to show you, and then we'll get into some accessories. So I have this Louis Vuitton inspired bag. You can carry it as a crossbody, as so. Love the details. Let me fix that right there. We love the details and the pattern. You can also carry it as a shoulder bag, as so. And then let me show you the inside. It snaps very securely. Does have some plastic right there. So it has two sides and a middle console. And the middle part has a zipper so that your items won't fall out. This is very cute and convenient, very chic. You could definitely carry this to some upscale events, or if you just want to dress up, you know, like a more plain outfit. And I just absolutely love how secure it is with the little closure right here. Really cute, really nice. It feels really good as well. I really like this. Next, for accessories, I found this really cute inspired accessory for our bags, because that has been popular lately. Is Gucci inspired, and you can attach it to your bag right here. Little, let me see, little clasp as so. And these are the details of the bow, because bows have been popular as well. So decorating our purses with a cute little bow, and it's very secure. It won't come off, and this feels really nice. Love the colors. It does give a little bit more springtime, but it's very cute. My next accessory is this really gorgeous scarf. It is Hermes inspired, and it has this really pretty horse in the middle. So depending on which side you choose to show, it will look as so. And it feels really good as well. And then this is the other side. The other side is given gender reveal for sure. That's the other side. And then the details of the scarf, this pattern, and then the bottom fringe. Really like this. I like how on this side you can see like all the colors. Let me turn my horse right side up. You see all the colors, and it just feels so nice. It feels so good. I really like it. Let's put her on, okay? Because I don't know about where you live,
but where I live, it's been a little chilly outside. Then I have this cute little Gucci inspired headband, and it's very secure on the ends. It will not poke you. Is it focusing? There we go. It will not poke you, and it looks as so. Next, I have these Louis Vuitton inspired earrings. Focus. They look as so. A little hoop, and there's the post. They're white. You can wear them with a plethora of colors. I have these Versace inspired earrings, the pink background with the line in the middle, and there's the post on those. So cute. Will spice up any outfit. Next, I have another pair of earrings. These are Gucci inspired. They have the green background with the B. There's the post. And I love like the little diamonds going around. And here's the second one so y'all can see them together. Too cute. Y'all, I'm so sorry if the settings changed. My camera died and I had to let it charge for a little bit. But let's get back into this video. And next for bracelets, I have a bracelet that's Hermes inspired. This is orange. And you just open it as so and put it on. And it looks as so. That's the back of it. Feels really good. It looks really cute. Then I have one silver piece that is Louis Vuitton inspired. TEMU has a lot of Louis Vuitton inspired pieces. A lot. The same with Gucci and Versace. And here is the back. I want to make sure it focuses. Or the little clasp. And last but not least, this isn't a designer inspired item, but I know the girls go crazy over this item, especially on TikTok. So I saw it and I had to show you because I always see people in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington looking for this item. It doesn't matter if it's a blanket, if it's a shirt. So I had to show you this Hello Kitty necklace. All right, I wanted to focus. Look how cute. I am obsessed, and I'm not even a Hello Kitty girl. How cute is this? Okay. Y'all remember when that store used to be in the mall, Sapporo, and it had all the different animals? I was like in elementary school, and I would always get the frog stuff, and you could personalize it and get your name put on it. If you're a particular age, you know what I'm talking about. She's too cute. And then the clasp looks as so. This is just too cute. I haven't really looked at it like that. Too cute. This in real gold, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Okay, how adorbs. Everything will be linked in the description box. If I can't find the exact item, I will try to find something similar. It took a while for me to get all the items. I ended up getting 3 separate packages from TEMU. So I will try to link everything, and if I can't find the exact item, I will link something very similar. I am in love with the Hello Kitty necklace, the Coach change pouch, oh my goodness, and then these earrings. I love the details of their earrings. 10 out of 10. Again, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification, because I will have more videos rolling in for the 2025 year. We are trying to get to 3,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notification. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.